you really want to grow on YouTube, you got to stop looking at these videos and start doing it. I get so tired of seeing these videos trying to tell people how to grow on YouTube. No one fucking knows. No one knows. And even if they do know, why the hell would they tell you? Does that make sense? That makes sense, right? Why the hell would they tell you? 'Cause I've been in the same boat. I would go up and stay up to like 3 a.m. looking at how to grow a YouTube channel 2023, 2024. And it's the same shit. All they're gonna tell you is just like, make a schedule, make good content. But if you're starting out, you don't even know what the fuck that is. Get a new mic, like the OBS settings and stuff like that. Yeah, look that up. But like, people just making videos, just like preying on people's desperation. And it's so stupid to me. It works. It really works. And it's so stupid because there's whole channels dedicated to it. There's only a couple instances where I don't mind it, and it's like Harris Heller. Like this guy, he's got good tips. I'm only about 1,500 subs. And I've been doing this for about 3 years, something like that, 2021. Yeah, I've been doing this since like 2021, of course, on and off. But it's YouTube sucks. Content creation sucks. Don't get into it. It's not great. It's not great because it's a lot of work for failure. I had to stop putting. I'm just gonna be real. I had to stop putting. I would spend like a week on a video, and the video would get like 20 views. This is when I was starting out, and I was like, I can't do that anymore. I'm not gonna do that to myself. I just post daily instead of posting like once a week. There's no point in doing it anymore because either one video gets fucking 12K and another one gets 20. It's stupid, bro. There's so many videos on this. I bet they all say the same shit. Like I ain't knocking it. It's a hustle pretty much. Cause you look, real shit. I ain't knocking this dude. You can't really see it, but it has like $465,000 estimate revenue. You ain't getting that shit anytime soon. You probably gonna get like $1,000, even $100. You know how long it takes to make money on YouTube? Depending on the niche, it takes a long time. It takes a long time. But people just starting out. They like you go on this Reddit. There's a Reddit called YouTubers. I've been in this subreddit for a minute, and there's a lot of questions, a lot of like things. Oh, about just to start my channel. What do I do? No one's gonna tell you what to do. You gotta figure it out yourself. That's the whole issue right now. There's so many people trying to get other people to tell them what to do. We don't know. We don't know. What might work for me ain't gonna work for you probably, and vice versa. Guys asking how to get more views. When do I start getting more views? Shit, you know how long it took me to actually get like some views instead of like 5, and like actually get pushed a little bit? It took me like 2 years. Real shit. I mean, I didn't make good content at first. It was bad. I think people think like new YouTubers think it's gonna be like a just instant thing. No, it could never happen. It could never happen. Me and my friends would literally stay up till like, I don't know, like 3 a.m. just talking about YouTube, trying to figure out what will work, and we don't know. We couldn't figure it out. I've tried so much new stuff. I've tried hiring an editor. I've tried to get a thumbnail artist. I've spent weeks on a video. It just doesn't work. It could be me. It could be me. Maybe just people just don't like me, which is very possible. Gaming channels are not great. There's so much competition. You don't want to go gaming. If you're thinking about doing a gaming channel, you're going to have a bad time probably. Now, real shit, if you want something that's going to do well, probably pretty well, do tutorials on like games and stuff and guides. They get a lot more views just in general because it's evergreen content and people are always searching for it, and that's how you get some more views. I ain't saying it's guaranteed, but it's helped me. Real shit, if you're gonna make a new channel, just make a video. Don't spend so long on it, and if it does fail, you're gonna hate your life. Just make a video, and if it does well, keep making better content, and there you go. I just wouldn't personally, depending on the niche, like if you're doing like video essays, take time on it, of course. But if you're doing gaming content, most of the time you don't know it's not gonna be good. Most of the time your first video is not gonna be good. It's gonna be shit. Just real, it's gonna be bad. So just put it out there. Please, for the love of God, don't give up after a month. There's so many people that's like, I've been doing this for 7 days. I've only gotten 10 views. What is going on? videos. People are like, you shouldn't put videos that you don't think they're gonna do good or it's gonna be shit. I'll show you one that was just literally a 2-minute video because we didn't have enough footage. I didn't have enough footage. I just put it out there. And brother, it's one of my best videos. Really, you just gotta find what works for you. It's YouTube sucks. It's a grind, and a lot of people fantasize about it. It's not gonna happen pretty soon. There's outliers, you know. People go from like 0 to 1 million subs in a month or something like that, which is fucking crazy. Which it probably isn't gonna happen. Really, it's probably gonna be. Most people get stuck at like 100 subs for a while. It just happens. Or people try to buy their subs, then they brag about it, then you know all their subs disappear because YouTube catches that shit. So fair warning, don't do that. I mean, what's working for me personally, it's I went from doing once a week, you know, higher edited videos that I thought were amazing, and to almost daily videos, and they're like, this is gaming, so bear with me, it's a little different, and they're simple edits. I just zooms and sometimes subtitles and sometimes sound effects, and that's it. And it's been doing a lot better than once a week, and hoping the video does good. Then if it doesn't do good, you know, I was paying for those, so like, yeah, it sucked. It really sucked. Don't buy it. Don't use an editor if you're not making money from YouTube.